Hey guys, it's me, it's the Nerf brothers here today, but my brother's living at a friend's house. I feel better today, but I can't sleep my brother's friends, and he's my friend too. So that's a bummer. But today I just got this in just now. I don't have any much switches starting off to play Nerf. But this is all my stuff. He's in a different drawer. I think he has 2 more guns, like 1 more gun on me. But this, so hang on, guys. The buff, it looks like. Neat. Real cool. They're all my guns. As you can see, the strong up there. That's a good. That's a new one. Yeah, I just put that in there. So, but what I am going to be doing today is I am going to be testing the ranges for my guns. Only one shot though, so not a whole bunch of bullets. So I'm going to be testing all of them. Yeah, I could test all of them. But, okay. So I'm going to test all of them, but the bad thing is that they're blue bullets. Like, I have one zombie strike. I want to use my brother bullets, but I can't. Zombie strike. Zombie strike. I found it somewhere. So zombie strike. The blue bullets are going to be the Armstrong. Use Armstrong. We're only using one of the Armstrongs. Okay, so we're only doing 2 at a time, so we don't get confused. So that's the blue ones, and for the and we have the green disc bullets for the vortexes. And the other gun is what's it called? The crossbow. The crossbow is one of really good gun. This crossbow. We bought it in our number 5, but we had more Nerf guns, but we can't find them at the moment. We have, I believe we have the what's it called? We have the Rhino Fire. I think it's that. So this is the green box. This is the green one shot only, and that's the blue one. Okay. So I'll go. Well, I'm here on here. So, you can't really see what I mean, but I'll show you. Oh crap! I'll redo. Did you see that? Is that oh crap! Sorry guys. Right there. That's only up to there. So from the end of that wall there. Because I hit the wall, so I'll redo. Okay. Okay. So the crossbow are the green ones. Remember that. Great. Hang on. Sorry guys. Just had to pull 2 things out. Great. Oh, I hit the freaking wall again. Okay. I'm gonna go from the end of my bedroom door so it doesn't hit the wall. Sorry. I'll do it. Okay. Okay, ready? Whoa, did you see that? So that was the green one? Now, the elite Armstrong. Good. Okay. The one that won is this. From the green one. The green ones was the gospel ones. Right. From there down to my bedroom door where the gun is. Okay, so now we're going over the test now. I will show you. Goodbye. I'll see you soon. I'm just gonna get my guns. And okay, so the guns that I am using, the next one is the hyperfire and the radar. I left the zombies so I can move down there, and then I made name tags for them so you know which one's which. And I'm only doing 4 because I can't be really getting the others out. So here we go. Okay, so the first one that is going. Yeah, the hyperfire is one. I'm telling you. Wow. Okay, now the radar. Okay, good. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you which one has won. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Okay. Okay, so here we go. The first one was the radar. That's it. It was okay distance. There, and there. And a crossbow. It's very close. It's about the same distance. Then we have the Armstrong. There. Now, the hyperfire.